announcement because ITB, the brand family, is growing. And we are revealing an exciting expansion into a very new market that I will not talk about today, but on Wednesday morning here at the same stage.
Welcome to the press conference ITB takes on a new market.
And of course, this is an ITB event, Messe Berlin, so we have the CEO of Messe Berlin here, Mr. Mario Tobias. Another international touch is Virginia Messina, ladies and gentlemen. She's the Senior Vice President of Advocacy and Communications at WTTC. Also, I am delighted to welcome Mr. Gustavo Estofeld. Gustavo Estofeld is the Director General of the Guadalajara Convention and Visitors Bureau. Talking about, but there is a certain tendency to Mexico, you see. And of course we are giving you a very warm welcome. We really are happy you are here. Between North Americas, very north and the very south Patagonia, we have Guadalajara. What a place, and how good a news. Now, who else could be the better messenger of these news than the CEO of Messe Berlin, Mr. Mario Tobias, please.
A great message. I love to see that movie. It's so colorful, it's so vibrant, there's so much energy in there. And we're really glad to be announcing today that ITB goes west. Exactly. As you've seen on the world's map, we're very active in the Asian countries and we're having great success over there. But you saw until now that the Americas, there wasn't anything. And I think we should change this, and that's what we've been working on very hard for the last couple of months together with our esteemed partners, so that we would have a very warm welcome, of course, to the ambassador, to Michelle, the minister of Jalisco, Gustavo, Virginia, everyone in here. So it's been a fantastic time working together with you, making all this possible. So once again, very, very warm welcome. It is a groundbreaking milestone for ITB once again. You know, we will turn 60 years old next year. I mean, it's a very young exhibition, right? A very fresh one every year again. But we're turning 60, and now there's another big step that we finally want to share together with you. The next chapter in this global success story when it comes to global tourism that we've been shaping for the last decades. This is not just to go somewhere because we've not been there, but it is a strategic response on the great development of the American markets that we've seen over the last couple of years. So we believe it is exactly the right time with the right decisions. So we are honored that you're taking part in this press conference today, and hopefully you are as the same delighted to hear about we're going to Mexico that our team is. It is another bold step forward in expanding the ITB's global reach once again. ITB Americas marks a thrilling new chapter in our history after the ITB Asia that's taking place in Singapore for the Pacific region. Our team is here. Welcome to our Singapore colleagues, to the ITB China. Our colleagues from Shanghai are here as well. Welcome to you. And the ITB in India, in Mumbai. And now we're setting our sights on the Western Hemisphere. So ITB Americas will welcome all of you from the 10th to the 12th of November 2026 in one of the most vibrant cities, I believe, Guadalajara. I think a strong applause for